Calculating percentage strength. With the variety of solutions used in pharmacy today, the pharmacy technician must be able to understand and perform calculations relating to many expressions of strength. Expressions of strength or concentration tell us the amount of active ingredient that is contained in a given volume of mixture. Percentage is one way of expressing this strength. The strengths of many medications are expressed as percents. In order to perform dosage calculations for these medications, you must understand the concept of percent. Simply put, percent means per 100. In pharmacy, we deal with three types of percentage. Percent WV means percent weight by volume. Percent weight by volume is used for mixtures of solids in liquids. Percent V over V means percent volume by volume. In percent volume by volume, the active ingredient or the drug is a liquid, measured in milliliters. The total mixture is also a liquid, measured in milliliters. Emulsions, which are mixtures of oily liquids and aqueous liquids, would have percentage strengths expressed in percent volume by volume. Percent W over W means percent weight by weight. Percent weight by weight is used for mixtures of solids in solids. In a percent weight by weight mixture, the drug is in solid form, such as a powder. These three types of percentage are used in measuring different types of drug products. In this course, we will be using unit cancellation to work. Unit cancellation requires the expression of percentages as conversion factors, which identifies the percent by its units. To solve percentage problems with unit cancellation, the percent must be expressed as a conversion factor. Remember that percent means per 100. The units for percent weight by volume are grams of drug per 100 milliliters of solution. For example, 15% weight by volume means 15 grams of drug are present in 100 milliliters of the mixture. This can be expressed as 15 grams of drug over 100 milliliters of mixture or 100 milliliters of solution per 15 grams of drug. Here are some examples using percentage strength. Example 1. How many grams of drugs would be needed to make 2 liters of a 25% weight by volume solution? As a first step, express the percent in terms of its units. Remember that the final solution is a mixture of drug and solvent. So, 25% weight by volume is equal to 25 grams of drug per 100 milliliter of mixture, or using its inverse, it could be 100 milliliters of mixture per 25 grams of drug. Remember that units of volume in percentage are milliliters. Therefore, the total volume of liters must be converted to milliliters. So, since we have 2 liters of mixture, multiply it by the unit conversion that would give it milliliters, which is 1,000 milliliters per 1 liter. Then you would multiply by one of the unit conversions that you derived in the previous step from 25% weight by volume. Since you're trying to find grams, you would use the conversion factor that gave you grams on top. So you would use 25 grams of drug per 100 milliliters of mixture. After multiplying it all out, the liters would cancel, the milliliters would cancel, and you are left with grams. And after all of the math, you would have 500 grams of drug. This means that to make 2 liters of 25% weight per volume solution, we would weigh out 500 grams of drug and then dissolve it in enough solvent to make 2 liters of the mixture. Note that by completely labeling the drug and the mixture, we guarantee that the problem has been set up correctly. This is an additional safeguard for our patients. Our second example is what is a percentage strength of bumetanide injection. This is a percentage weight by volume problem. In the label, you see that for every 1 milligram of drug, there is 4 milliliters of solution. Using this ratio, you would see that since it is in milligrams, you would have to convert it to grams because the units for percentage are grams and milliliters. So multiplying by the unit conversion factor of 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams, you would end up with 0.25 grams per milliliter. Then converting it to percentage by moving the decimal place over 2, you would have 25% weight by volume of the drug. In our final example, we will be calculating the amount of diluent. How much diluent is needed for every 100 grams of mixture? So, since this is a weight by weight mixture, we know that there are 100 grams of total mixture. And since we know it is a 2% weight by weight percentage, we know that there are 2 grams of drug. So by subtracting 2 from 100, we find that there are 98 grams of diluent in the total mixture. This picture shows what we have just calculated. Since the total mixture is 100 grams, there are 2 grams of drug and 98 grams of diluent, which give it a 2% strength. Here is a summary of what we have just learned. Number 1, percent means per 100. Number 2, percentage is a denominant number. Number 3, work in the metric system. Number 4, be sure to label percent with its correct units, grams and milliliters. Number 5, select the correct type of percentage, weight by volume, volume by volume, or weight by weight. Number 6, our aqueous mixtures may be calculated as either weight by volume or weight by weight. And number 7, use common sense.